Hey guys, welcome to another video. I'm here with Rayan the Techwizard, and today we've got a sort of bittersweet video in the sense that we're very excited but also saddened that we've got to unbox Xperia XZ3. Now, the cool thing is, it is one of the coolest looking phones we're gonna get to unbox. The sad thing is, Sony is no longer releasing their phones in the Middle East or some parts of Asia, and we don't know why, because considering this is one of the most exciting phone they've had, or design that they've had in a long time, and it's not going to be officially released here. So we had to import this phone from the UK, as that's the only supplier that was able to send it over here, and also the only place where it was released at the moment. So yeah, at least we get to unbox it. So Ram, you ready to unbox this thing?
It's so easy to take out.
Oh yeah, actually yeah, there was no tape or anything. Wow, look at that. That's the Bordeaux red version. So yeah, just I guess you just plop it out. Oh, everything came out. That was
amazing. That was kind of amazing.
So it comes with a 3.5mm USB Type-C adapter. So, wow. It's a big phone and it feels really good in the hand. Let's put that to the side. What else came in the box before it all fell out? So there's a charger. I don't think it's quick charger. Oh yeah, it is. It's a quick charge 3.0 and power delivery.
Here's a card.
Xperia care paper, and it came with. Did it come with anything else?
Manuals.
Just manuals. Not just manuals. And USB Type-C.
And more manuals.
And headphones. So it came with headphones, but no headphone jack on the phone. Alright, so let's peel that thing.
Look at this.
Yeah, it's like a play paper. Wow, okay.
That was kind of sticky.
Oh yeah, because it's just glue or something.
Here.
There you go. Right, so we're just gonna power it on, and we're gonna.
Hey, here's a power button.
Yeah, it's on the side. All the buttons are on the side, and the best thing is that there's still a camera shutter button.
Let's open it up.
Yeah, just power it on.
Here's power.
And yeah, we'll set it up and we'll be right back. One thing we noticed that this display is absolutely beautiful. I love the way it just melds into the sides of the phone. I mean, I know we've seen curved displays in the past, and lots of Samsung phones look like that, but wow, it's a really beautiful display. Good job, Sony. Right, so the phone is finally updated. We have all the software, all our apps and everything downloaded, and we had a little try with the phone, and the phone is very smooth. It works really well and it feels so good in the hand. I love the shiny finish of the Bordeaux red color, and it is a little slippery, and the back is a fingerprint magnet, but you know, a case or a cleaning cloth will do the trick. And I know a lot of phones nowadays, the gimmick is to have multiple lenses on them, but Sony's done a really good job with a single lens on this phone. It's a very capable camera, and the low light performance, not bad. But the most impressive part about this camera is the video quality. I love the image stabilization. Well, yeah, it also has the sliding effect. You know, that's a really cool feature. I don't think a lot of phones have this spinner effect. I have to admit, Sony changed their camera UI this time around, and it's a really good camera UI. It's very simple. Swipe up, swipe down, you know, you get to your modes. The camera also boots up way much faster, so that's really cool. And there's a new gimmick where you could just, from, you know, flat on the end, whatever, you just pick it up and the camera turns on. That's pretty cool. See what I mean? Smart launch. It's nice, but you know, you have the camera button, you can just hold it and it activates the camera. I don't know. Do you really need that smart launch?
Like that.
Yeah. But all in all, really good effort from Sony. Finally, a phone that, you know, feels like a flagship of the year it's in. Only problem is market availability. So who is this phone for, the Xperia XZ3? They basically built a multimedia phone. It's for gamers. It has dynamic vibration, which vibrates the phone based on the sounds that are coming on the screen or whatever you're watching or playing. So it's kind of like a DualShock controller. And basically people are familiar with PlayStation, the Sony ecosystem, PlayStation and all that. This phone has PS4 remote play. It has the drivers for a DualShock controller, DualShock 4 specifically. I mean, just look at the video quality. Let's just play a
What's up, guys? So to become an Avenger, are there like trials? Or
So it's vibrating while the sound is coming. So it's gimmicky, but it works. It's kind of fun.
Stay close to the ground.
Just listen to the sound quality of the speakers. Also, the display is absolutely beautiful. I mean, I've been using the phone for a few hours now, and comparing it to like the Note or the S9 Plus, I really love this display. The colors just look amazing. Gaming on this is also pretty cool, but then again, it's a Snapdragon 845. Most phones have that nowadays, so you know, you should expect that in this phone. The only thing I'm not a fan of is the side sense, which I've turned off because it was just activating no matter what. Whenever I held the phone in my hand, it would just activate. And I don't know, gimmick, whatever. It's just, Sony, just stick to making your phones good. So Ryan, what do you think about the phone? Do you think it's a good phone? You like
Yep.
the shape and everything?
Yep.
Yeah, so how many thumbs do you give this phone as opposed to, I don't know, other phones? 2 thumbs up. 2 thumbs up and your fingers pointing towards it. Whoa, okay.
A lot of thumbs ups.
Well, you know, it's a really good phone. I'm really enjoying it. I mean, look at the fingerprint speed. It's like I just touched it and it's unlocked. So it's a very, very good phone. And it's so sad that this phone is not coming out in other regions.